Open Apple Music app, search the artist, album, or the song. In this example, I select Roy Orbison Essentials playlist. Top right hand corner, you should see a plus sign, tap on it. In order to be able to download any songs or playlists, you would need to sync your library. So tap on sync library, then this playlist would be added to your library, and now the plus sign is changed to downward arrow, and if you would tap on it, it would start downloading this playlist. And if you tap on the library in here, you can see the playlist is already added there. Now if I would turn on my flight mode so that I won't have any internet connection and go back to my Apple Music, I would be able to play this playlist in the offline mode. Now let's turn off the aeroplane mode, go to the listen now tab, select a single song, and if you tap on these three dots and then select add to library, now if you go to the library again and select this song, once again you can tap on the downward arrow to download this song, or you could hold your finger on the song and select download from here. And finally, in order to just view your downloaded songs, go to the library and then select downloaded.